guys like it? Yeah. Welcome back to our channel, guys. So for today's video, guys, we are here in Solomon Beach in Maryland. So my conyo drive down from West Virginia to Maryland, and he decided to take the kids with him. And since we are close to the beach here, so we decided to spend time before we headed back to West Virginia. It was really an unexpected plan. So from West Virginia to Maryland, it takes like 2.5 hours drive, and I was surprised that he is able to take the grandkids with him, because usually they don't wanna go without them, but at this time he did, and they were having fun with my sister children, which is their first time meeting here.
Can you guys come closer here? Oi, closer!
Can you picture it?
Baby, get me, baby. Can you guys get closer here so we can...
So you gotta do it all together at the...
Oh, so it's easy.
No, right there is enough. Right there is enough.
Okay.
So jump as high as you can and flare your arms or whatever. 1, 2, 3.
Lah, hina-hina rahoy!
Hi guys. Hi camera. Wait, what channel is it called? I think we can actually ride.
Yeah, I want to ride home like this. I'm okay riding like this within this area, but on the main road, no.
Learning going dire.
Hindi, lapit na yun.
Di ba hawa lang?
Upload this on YouTube so I can be famous.
29 na.
Both of us, we need to share it.
Yeah.
I'll send it to you. Yeah, later. I'll write it down.
What is it called? Just tell us right now.
It's called lily feather.
Huh?
Lily feather.
Oh. Did you tell me you guys have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
Can you help me make a YouTube
Oh,
channel?
no, pilapil mo.
Can you help me make a YouTube
Guys, you have to ask your mama. You're too young for that skill.
I didn't do it.
Oh, you didn't?
My mom did. Those beads that Grandpa's talking
One day you'll get.
This could be like a YouTube short or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Then you'll be famous. Okay. You have to introduce yourself and where you at.
When you become famous and make a lot of money, you better share some for me.
Oh, don't listen to her.
Hi, my name is Liam, and welcome to our video. And today we're gonna show you around the beach at
Yeah.
Janice's sisters. And right now we're at half of the beach.
Yeah.
It's like a water right here. And if you go to that side, over there, there's like a little line right here. And you can see tiny fishes. And this is my sister Yeli, and she loves Hello Kitty, as you can see by her shirt. And she also loves unicorns, and she loves like all that stuff. She likes dinosaurs.
Are you ready? Go.
So if you like this video, like and subscribe to this short. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment if you like the video.
We're gonna have to start your own channel then. You could be the next Ryan.
Ryan.
Remember Ryan?
Oh yeah, Ryan.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our video, and today we are going to be showing you this pier that we're on. My name is Nayeli. And my name is Liam, and hope if you like the video and comment down below and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell and okay. We didn't get to it. We can make a video all together. Back.
Alright.
Well, actually, we can instead of you, instead of Nelly holding it, you could hold it, and you could hold it facing
I need to
us.
get my Yeah, okay.
You
Go
can
do
hold
it.
facing us, and we can
Alright.
make a video.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to our video. And today we're gonna show you the pier before we go to the truck. So here is the water. Technically a beach. And
Yeah.
over here, people fish here. We saw a lot of times fish. And there's big rocks over there. There's a lot of rocks. You see the beautiful houses and the beautiful view. Some sand. And there's some crabs in there. And look,
Yeah.
here. Look, some fishies. You can see the tiny little fish.
Mm-hmm. See? Yeah.
A lot of people fish here to catch those fish.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, welcome back to our video. And today we're going to be showing you the pier before we go back to the truck. So, and by the way, my name is Nayeli. His name is Liam. But I'm Liam, and this is Nayeli. There was some fish over here, but I guess they swam away. And over here. Oh yeah, they swam over here. Come on, guys. You'll see them better.
Uh-huh.
See them better right here.
Right there.
It kind of looks like they're making an 8. We're not in the water right here because we go all the way back there, that far.
Yeah.
And
So come on guys, let's go.
but the beach closed, so we have to get changed and take a shower here. I really wish we were back in the beach. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Gusto na punta daw, mamalik na sa bote.
This is the house where you
Gusto
get.
siya mamalik din siya. Mag-stay daw sila ugo. Nilagaglaw.
And there's rocks right here, like all these paths.
Gusto mo. Yeah. Very vlog.
There's a trash can. And I don't know if you guys are
You guys will be famous by tomorrow then.
somewhere around here. And
Bali, di ba tutin sa lulo?
and all that stuff. And you come right here.
Oh, that's nice. Catch fish, you can also clean it right there. So you do not have to clean it at home. You can clean it here before you leave.
Sorry guys, we can't read those. We can't read those because it's all ripped up. And that would be a wrap for today. And hope you liked the video and like and subscribe and comment down below. And this is what it looks like, just to show. That's why we couldn't read it. It's all ripped up. And bye. Hit the notification bell and the comment bell and the like and sub button. And I'll see you in our next video.
Alright. Good. Okay.
Wait, did you press the record button? Oh no, this is the record.
Her record button is always on.
Hey, welcome back to our video, and today we're gonna be riding in the back of the truck over there, and then we're probably gonna still be riding in the back of the truck.
Your head, okay?
And we're gonna ride back home, and then probably when we get back home, that will be the end of this video. And at the end of this video, please like and subscribe and comment and hit the notification bell. I want to get babies. I'm gonna go on range and eat. I'm a CB. And as you can see, the truck is moving, and we're going over. I thought we were gonna go over there.
Wait, be careful, don't hit your head, okay?
Okay.
Careful.
We're making a little turn. There's dirty fences. No offense to the people with the dirty fences. Your house are beautiful. And there's trees right here. And there's a lot of stuff right here.
Yeah, there's a hole. Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, and
There's a view.
look, there's another white truck over there.
You should be sitting right here so we can see you.
Everybody can introduce. Everybody can introduce themselves. gonna be in it too.
Alright.
You wanna be in it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so how do we?
Hi! Welcome to our channel! What's your name?
Nayeli.
And I'm Janine.
And I'm Gracie.
And I'm Liam.
Whoa.
We're getting ice cream, and today we're getting ice cream.
Whoa, show them that.
We're getting
Show
ice
them
cream,
what?
and we're going
The
to.
beautiful water.
Hold on,
and
let
the
me.
houses across.
Come here, guys. Look at these rocks right here.
Yeah, listen to it. Right there.
Whoa.
And the favorite Crown Island. And the park.
Yep. The park.
Come on, guys.
Did it just say we're gonna get ice cream? Yeah.
And while we're at it, we could play at the park for a little bit. Dang, they're busy. Busy as freak. Busy as somebody gonna match my freight. Somebody gonna match my mustard.
Asa tarapit diri ah?
I'm gonna get
We
a
happen to hit.
mixed cone sprinkles.
We happen to hit the rush hour. The rush here.
They're always in rush hour.
What kind of ice cream are you gonna get?
I'm gonna
Gracie?
get a cone with chocolate and vanilla and covered in sprinkles.
Yeah,
And
but
it's yummy.
when you're interviewing someone, you take their face.
I know.
Not down here like this.
My belly button is answering that question.
And if they do, I will get cookies and cream ice cream. Come on, let's go play at the park. Okay, can you hold it?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our video, and today we are going to be playing at the park. And please like and subscribe for more videos like this.
I don't want anything.
First, I'm gonna climb this. It really looks difficult, but it's not that hard. These binoculars can probably see pretty far. I'm gonna look at them. Where is it? Please. Oh no, they're covered. As you can see, they're covered. And I can't walk. Here, there's speakers. Where's the others?
Mom, can I play?
Go.
While we're waiting for mommy?
Follow me. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna find what the other speaker is, and you guys can hear me. And this is my sister Nayeli, and we're taking a preview around the park. We can't find the other speakers, so no other speakers. And as you can see, I'm speaking to the thing. Yeah. And oh, it goes through there. Go to Nelly and see if you can hear me, please. Hi. So, you guys can hear me. No? Yes, I'm pretty sure they could hear you. That's good. I'll be back there. Okay, I am back. And now we're gonna watch Nelly try to climb this thing. And then she'll look through the binoculars. Where are the binoculars? Oh, right there.
That's how I walk.
Like this, and then I'll try the binoculars. Well, you can't really see. They don't really work. So, I think this is a pole that we can climb up. As you can see, there's the pier is up here, and you can see the beautiful water. You can see the beautiful water right there.
No,
And so
there's biting flies everywhere.
Goodbye, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. Bye.
Tell me when to go.
Alright. Start now.
Hey guys, welcome back to our video. And today we're at Panda Express and we're opening our fortune cookie. And we're gonna read it. I'm gonna read my first, and it says, "You will have an opportunity to shine this week."
Ooh, nice one.
See mine.
It'll be better now, baby.
Does the cookie taste good?
But mine says, invest time and thought in all you pursue.
Good job.
And your turn.
What does this say
And
for
it's
you?
my turn to open up my fortune cookie. Alright guys, it's kind of hard to open that. So, we will see what's mine for today's fortune. Is you guys should keep your fortune. So it's telling that you are a deep thinker with a knack for problem solving. What?
Your turn, Grandpa. Wait to open your fortune cookie. No. Okay. Grandpa's turn.
I'm on first. And just for a little hint, the cookies are really good. They have like a little cookie texture, and it's really, really good.
Nice one.
Like the fact that it actually tastes like a cookie, though.
You have the makings of a leader. Take
Whoa, good.
And remember to
Thumbs
like and
up.
subscribe and hit the bell down below.
Say bye, guys.
We're gonna